Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a restaurant-style easy chili chicken dry that's crispy, juicy and coated in a rich, flavorful sauce. It's quick to prepare and perfect for lunch, dinner or as a party appetizer. Let's start the recipe. First, take 1 cup chicken breast pieces in a bowl. Pour water to cover the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. This helps clean and tenderize the chicken. Chicken breast cooks quickly and stays tender when marinated properly. Now drain the water and transfer the chicken to a clean plate. Add half teaspoon chili flakes. Sprinkle half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Season with half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Pour in 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 egg white. Now add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything well until every piece is evenly coated. Chili chicken is one of the most popular Indo-Chinese dishes around the world. Heat enough oil over medium heat. Carefully fry the chicken for 7 to 8 minutes or until it's tender, golden and cooked through. Fry the chicken over medium heat for juicy meat with a crispy coating. Remove and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Pour in 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves. Now add 2 sliced green chilies. Two tablespoon onion. Mix in 2 tablespoon capsicum. Stir fry for a minute until slightly tender but still crisp. Pour in the prepared sauce. Mix well. Fresh garlic and green chilies create the signature aroma of the classic dish. Now add half cup water. Mix 2 tablespoon water with 1 teaspoon corn flour to make a slurry. Pour the slurry into the pan and stir continuously. Corn flour gives the sauce its glossy restaurant-style finish. Now add the fried chicken. Mix everything well until each piece is coated with the thick glossy sauce. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat. Your homemade chili chicken dry is ready. Crispy chicken, colorful vegetables and a rich flavorful sauce come together in every bite. Try this easy recipe at home and enjoy restaurant-style taste with your family. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy homemade recipes, delicious chicken dishes and family-friendly meals.